Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we are going to make a grid animation, right? And we are going to build with the help of the plugin called Bento Grid Maker. Before we start, it's a request to watch this video full to the end, and please like, comment, and share, and do subscribe, right? So let's get started. First, we are going to use a plugin called Bento Grid Maker. When you click, it will show the interface. We are going to use the width 1728 and height 1117 with the sections 7, and let's get started. Create a Bento. The grid has been appeared. This is the grid, right? I have already arranged some images, right? What we're gonna do is first arrange this and we don't need one of these box. Okay, now we can add some images here. So I have already some images. So first what we can do is we can copy this image by pressing Ctrl C and select one of the rectangle here and paste by here. After the image has been appear here, arrange the image size, adjust the image size here in regards to the box. Okay, so image has been adjusted here. Then we can use some more images. Like we can use this here as it. We can give the fill to black. Okay, and adjust this image by Control C and pasting in this by Control V. Adjust the image to the center. Okay. Now we can also give the fill to this box to the black, and this one with the red. We can use this. We can pick this color, or else we can use this red one. Okay, this is fine. Now it's been aligned. What I'm gonna do is duplicating this center and increase this one here. Now we want this image to be filled in this and this box. So I'm making a copy here, selecting this one and controlling press V. We can adjust by selecting the image and give a crop fill. Okay, that's right. So I'm again selecting this and pressing Ctrl V, and again we can use a crop. Now we can adjust the left out part. Okay, now what we can do is increase the size of the image to 1200. Okay, I have to decrease the size to 900, I guess. Perfect. Same with this image, 900. So it may be aligned perfectly here. Okay, or we can adjust here by setting this between 40. Same here. Perfect. Right, and we can use the fill of this box to this fill, another one with the black. Okay, black, and we can use here a red fill again. Okay, now perfect. Now it's time to add some text here. By pressing T, that is a text here with, like, we can say 19. Okay, we can use to 200. Okay, now we can change this enter to NATO. Okay, fine. This looks good here. And change the fill from white to black. Fine. Okay, again we can press T here, and we can write here is 64 because I'm using this kind of number of date, like, and change the fill. Okay, fine. Perfectly all right. Bring it near with this gap, same amount of gap. Perfect. You're right. Now we can add some element, like we can use line here. First, arrange this to 20. Make a fill. Stroke to red. Arrange to minus 125. Duplicate one more time. Okay. Align the other one and increase the width to 300. Then align. Oh, all right then. We can use much more tier things. Now we can duplicate this. All right. Change the fill first. Okay, nice. Now we can use this image here by copying this, selecting this box, pasting here. Perfect. Adjust the width of the image to 800 again. Then adjust. Okay, we can cover this text here. We can write GT 400. Now we can use this thing and decrease the value to 150 and use this from regular to extra bold. And again we can this black. Adjust the text in between the center or align leftwards and try to change this. Okay, and one more thing here, I have to decrease the opacity of the image to 85% here and 85% by this image. Okay, now it's time to add a background color to this frame. We can choose this color like here, the darker. Okay, fine. Okay, and one more thing, we can keep some border radius to 15. Perfectly all right. Now it's time to adjust. Let's do prototype here, right? But before we can go here, duplicate this frame, bring it upwards. Now it's time to have some by control of space. Just select the text and use arrow key to the right. Okay. Same for the others. Okay. Now we have to duplicate again this. Select this frame, bring upwards. Okay, now we have to scale down. But before this, zero, zero. Okay. Now from this one, okay. Again, delete this. Don't want this. Now we have to again duplicate this. Bring it here. Now we have to select this and give the width to 0. We are scaling down this width to 0. For this one, we have to select this from the center right. Now we can use this to 0. Okay. Now it's time for the prototype. Select the frame, prototype, starting point. We can adjust the direction here. On click, action navigate to. Destination is then this one. Not from instant, it should be smart animate. Not animate, it should be custom. We can use here 2000. Same for this. Not animate 2000, navigate on click. Okay. Now we can check this animation over here. Okay, we have a screen here. I'm clicking on the screen. So this is my first thing, and this is my second one. Right. So this is it. I hope you guys like it. You can adjust the animation according to your design. So this is it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share. And please do subscribe if you're new to this channel and hit the bell icon. Right. We'll see you soon. Thank you for. Bye bye.